I might not be able to make a separate note for myself because I'm out of time. But the fact that I already have the lecture notes annotated, that means I have all of the information on that lecture notes. So that's literally how I organize my folder, and I always organize them in terms of topics. So if we have something about neurosynaptics topic as a first lecture, that's going to be at the front, and then it goes in that order according to when I've had the lecture. So when I need something, I would easily go and look for it there quickly and just can easily find anything. So that's literally how I organize my notes. So I'll just show you a quick flip through of my folder, and you can just see what I've done.